Yeah, boy.
Cheese. It's not a picture, Ryan.
He's still posting.
No, she's recording. She's taking a video, Ryan. It's not in a picture, Ryan.
Boy, if you.
It's not a picture.
Where we at?
LegoLand.
Oh yeah. Where we at?
LegoLand.
Oh yeah.
It could be in Lego or not Lego. I watched that.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
There goes somebody too. You know who that is?
That's the right. Nah, he knew.
He knew?
Mhm.
Oh. What about her?
She's a part of the Friends.
Friend.
She likes sports and stuff.
She likes sports. You taking a picture?
Come say hi to Lego Santa.
Oh, Legos.
All right, if you stand right on that square right there.
Stand on the square. Turn around, Ryan. Ryan.
Right.
All right, stay right there, Logan.
He's looking at that.
Turn around. Look at the camera.
Let me see y'all lanyards. Hey.
I think I saw that on the map. When did I take this picture?
When at the house.
Wait, huh?
At the house.
Mommy, it's this. Mommy, is
Huh?
it this? Was it this, Mommy?
That's not for us, baby.
Was it this?
Probably.
You got my lip down tucked.
Just build. I guess they just build. That's okay. Keep going. That's okay. You done? Okay. Good job.
Have a good day.
Good job, Ryan. So we're an empty space. Let's find out. Put it in here. Stick it on there. Can you stick it? There you go. Good job. Wow. And you find them. Okay. Nice. You done?
Girl.
Yes, the water.
Line starts.
What are we supposed to do?
Huh?
Daddy, I think this is your lane.
This is my land. Lego.
Oh, Lego! Go there. How cold is this water? Ah, yes.
It's cold.
And I want to know. I got it.
Oh, there's that rubber? Oh, that there, yeah. Oh, they're going this way first. They're going this way. Yeah.
Round two, baby.
He's a stop.
This way you brown them.
Man, get off of that. Anybody get something? Elevator party in the elevator party. Come on. Party in the elevator. 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 Hey. What's that? Hey, hey, hey. Guys, no. It says watch this. It's a party.
Really?
We go to 5.
Have fun.
Okay.
You sure you don't want to go? What's that? Where are we going, Nadia?
I don't even know.
Oh, Lord. See you right here.